Kowalski, signal the chimps to meet us at the rendezvous point with the superplane. Hotel Ambassador. Let's move it. Yeah. Huh?
Voila. Giraffe at 12 o'clock.
Guys, we got a tail.
Paparazzi! Pedal to the metal, Private.
Don't take any photos, please. Hi.
Here I am.
No more pictures!
Medic! ETA to rendezvous point.
2 minutes, 37 seconds, sir.
Man your battle station.
Hey, wait! Nobody's at the wheel! Get back there! Negative on the driver! There's no driver!
Don't just sit there, fancy pants. Grab the wheel.
Are you kidding? I don't drive, I'm a New Yorker!
Move over, Miss Daisy!
What are you doing? Zebras can't drive! Only penguins and people can drive!
What do all these buttons do?
Nice one, Stripes.
Crazy woman gaining!
Our Omega-3 slick will take him down. Private, activate. He's good. Kowalski, intel.
Sir, we have a serious problem. Capitan Chantal Dubois, Monaco Animal Control. Perfect case record.
You're going the wrong way, Marty!
Just call me Marty or Andretti.
No, you're Suckio Andretti!
Stop backseat driving.
I'm passenger seat driving and I want the wheel! Give me the wheel!
It's not a wheel, it's my baby.
The hooves aren't meant to be on a
Hey,
wheel!
hey, hey, too late for you to
Don't
drive.
look at me! Don't look at me when we argue! Look at the road!
Be cool, be cool. Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi.
Oh, watch out!
We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear.
She's on the roof!
But sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated, and don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay.
Okay, Marty! We lost her! Maybe you can slow down now!
I can't. There's no brakes.
No brakes. No way to commit, soldier.